Hello everyone and welcome to Placement Seekers Hub channel. So here we have came up with an interview questions asked in an Accenture interview of selected candidates, and the candidates were from the ECE branch and the IT branch. So this is our second video on an Accenture interview. So if you have not seen the first video, you can check this out. So if you are new here and watching our video for the first time, then let me tell you, we post videos related to upcoming placement drives, different off-campus drives, and also the interview experience. So please like this video and to subscribe our channel so that you won't miss any opportunity. So let's move towards the video. So this is our second video, as I told. Uh, so this is the interview number 3, which we are going to discuss. So here you can see that the candidate applied for the job on 19 April. The mail regarding the mock test came on 20 April 2021. After that, the cognitive and the coding round mail came on 25th April. After that, after clearing that, the communication round mail came on the same day, that is 25 April. Then the interview was conducted on 20th April and the selection mail came on 6 May. So this was the whole process that candidate gone through. So let's see the interview questions. So the first question was to introduce yourself. So all interview mostly start with this only, introduce yourself. Then tell me about the projects. So here if you have done the projects, then tell them about the projects. Don't tell anything lie about the projects. If you have done a single project with an 100% concentration, tell only that project. Don't show any low confidence during the interview. So after that, the next question was, what will you do if your team member are against you? So this is an HR question, we can say. So here you have to tell them an impressive answers. So you can get many impressive answers on Google. Uh, so the next question was, how will you convince your team member for the some decisions that you took? So suppose you took any decisions in a company and your team members will be not agree, or how will you convince your team members to go with the same decision? So this was another HR question. So the next question was, have you done any certification? So the candidate answered this question as no, but mostly don't try to give the negative answer. Try to, if you have not done any certification, then you can tell that no, I have not done any certification, but I tried to learn by myself, yeah, using the YouTube and the Google. So this can be a good answer. So what is your failure that you faced in your life? So tell some real story. Don't go for the lie story. Then the next question was, your favorite subject, least favorite subject, means the subject you don't like. So these are some of the common questions that most of the interview asks. So prepare this well. And at last they asked about the any questions for you. So the candidate answer for this question was no, but most of the time don't say no for this question. You can tell them, you can ask them any questions related to company, so that they can see that you are interested to join the company and you are interested for this job role. So this was the interview of an first EC branch candidate interview of an selected candidate. Here is the interview number 4. The candidate was from the IT branch. So first question was, tell me about yourself. After that, tell me about the projects. So here you can see that most of the questions are similar to the last interview, and mostly all the interviews start with this only. As when you tell introduction about yourself, you mention your projects. So next question mostly asked is about your projects. After, what are the difficulties you faced in the project? So you will know the difficulties faced in the project when the project is only done by the you. So don't go for the live projects or tell something lie about the projects. If you have done only single project, that is efficient for answer this question. So have you helped someone in project and how you help? So the interview asks that if you have helped someone in their project, means not for the your project, and how you help for him or her in that project. After that, the question was the who is your role model. So mostly as you are appearing for an job interview in an IT industry, mostly tell the role model as one of the IT industry's biggest person, so that it will be more helpful for cracking this interview. After that, what is your biggest achievement? So tell them what is your biggest achievement till as of now. After that, which is your least favorite subject? So you can see that 2-3 of the questions are repeated from the last one, and all the questions are only HR based questions, no technical questions, nothing is asked, just about your project is asked, and all are the HR questions. So the last was any questions for me. That's it. So this was all about the interview experience of the Accenture candidates which were held recently. And those who have not completed the interview, so best of luck for the upcoming interviews. So thank you for watching the whole video. So if you want any interview experience, then you can name the company in the comment section, so that I will prepare a video related to that company's interview experience. And if you face any doubts regarding any examination, then you can ask me in the comment section and also in our Telegram channel. So thank you once again for watching this whole video.